Hello everyone, thank you for being here. My name is Aaron and I have a shopping problem. So let's just get right to it. One of my favorite stores in Salem, and also in general, is Die With Your Boots On, aka DWYBO. If you've never been to Die With Your Boots On, or you've never even heard of it before, here's a little bit of background. To paraphrase a post that was made on the Daughters of Darkness Instagram, which is the dark arts festival the shop puts on every year, Die With Your Boots On was started in 2018 by Amber Newberry, along with her partner Nick. She believes that alternative fashion should be for anybody who wants to wear it, and she wanted to create a destination for strange and unusual clothing in Salem, Mass. They also have an online shop which ships worldwide, which is where all of these items are going to be from. Amber hopes that DWYBO will be a place where people are able to explore what dark aesthetic and clothing means for them, regardless of their size or gender identity or expression, or really anything else. Full disclosure, I did recently have the opportunity to do a modeling shoot for their website, which was so much fun. Vlog and photos coming soon. And I just wanted to say quickly just how pleasant of an experience it was. To be honest, I was a little nervous going in, since I am kind of a large man with weird body proportions, so I was a little nervous that I wouldn't really have a lot of options and that they would primarily be putting me in things like pants and shirts, but I was actually really wrong. When I got there, Amber had pulled a bunch of clothes for me that were all in my size. In fact, she gave me multiple options for sizing, and a lot of them were flowy and swooshy and sometimes downright traditionally feminine clothing, which I really appreciated. I had so much fun doing it, and I cannot wait to show you guys that video coming soon. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I post it. Now, normally when I go shopping, I tend to just get a couple of things, maybe 3 things if I'm feeling saucy. But thanks to a gift card from my parents and a one-time discount code that I received as compensation for letting them put my face on their website, this time I went a little crazy. I bought 7 items, but to make myself feel better about overspending, I'm going to say that I got 6 items and 1 pair of sunglasses, because that's technically true. Also, I did just want to say quickly that they are not paying me in any way to make this. They are not even aware that I'm making this video. And even though I did have a personal discount code for myself, I don't have any sort of discount codes or affiliate links or sponsorships with them. I'm simply just a fan of what they do and someone who was given a gift card. So when I say that I like these clothes, you know, I'm not being paid to say it. All right, so this is my sack. Boo! It really is a bit of a sack, isn't it? It's pretty large. So let's open this baby up. How's this audio for you? Is this ASMR? I love the postcards that come with their packaging. This one is really cute. It's for their spring collection. And this one is an advertisement for their Dark Arts Festival I mentioned before. So the Daughters of Darkness Dark Arts Market is put on
this weekend
by Die With Your Boots On in collaboration with Witch City Wicks, the Cemeterarium, and Fun Dead Publications. The festival focuses on promoting art and businesses run by women and non-binary people. So it's really, really cool. And a portion of some of the proceeds from this market goes to help support HAWK, or the Healing Abuse Working for a Change organization. HAWK is an organization that provides a bunch of different services for people experiencing domestic violence all around the North Shore in Massachusetts. So it's a really, really good cause. So let's see, what do we have first? First of all, I absolutely love all their packaging. So without further ado, let's rip it. So the first thing I pulled out is the sunglasses, which I think makes sense to start with. So first of all, they come in this really cute glasses case. One of the things I always have a problem with sunglasses is I have nowhere to put them. Honestly, I haven't had a pair of sunglasses in maybe ever. And part of the reason I don't really wear them is because I don't have a place to store them. But I thought these are really cute, and I've been really, really into round-shaped glasses recently. Am I cute, or do I look like Ozzy Osbourne? You decide. I do look cute. Oh. I like them. I'm surprised. Because I think they're all wrapped individually, I'm just going to start taking them all out, and then we'll unwrap them so I can get rid of some of the bulk and make space on the table. Aww. Oh, they sent me candy. So I think I'll go with this next. So this is the Lilith Mesh Oversized Cloak from the brand Foxblood, which I believe is actually one of the first brands that Die With Your Boots On ever worked with and carried. Now this is a one-size-fits-all type of thing, but I actually got to try this on in the store a couple of times before, and I just wasn't able to buy it at the time, so I know that this is gonna fit me really well. So this next thing is the Death Tarot Zip-Up Hoodie from the brand The Pretty Cult. I only recently discovered The Pretty Cult, but I've been really into their designs. I really love this like witchy aesthetic, obviously. And I've been meaning to order something from that brand for a while, so I was excited to see that this was available on Die With Your Boots On. I actually got this in a 2XL, which I normally wouldn't do for unisex sizes, but I actually prefer hoodies to be a little bit oversized. So this next item is the Lennox Long Line Tank from Foxblood again. Based on their size guide, I got this in a 3XL, which I think makes a little bit of sense. It's supposed to be a bit more fitted, and I prefer things like this to be a little bit baggier, so I went with a size up. To be honest, I usually have a really hard time finding long line shirts that are flattering on my body. I'm a little bit round in the midsection. But now that I am vaccinated, I've been trying to find some more comfortable summer clothes, considering I'll actually be able to go outside starting in May. So this next item is the Ina tunic dress. I got this in a size 1XL. Again, I've tried this one on in the store before. I have been absolutely dying to buy it ever since they put it on their website. I love the shapeless oversized look. I think it's really, really cool. And this one almost reminds me of like an artist's smock, which really brings me back to 3rd grade art class. A simpler time. So this is probably the last couple of things I got, and I think I'll just go through them at the same time because they're kind of the same thing. So these are 2 pairs of leggings. Yes, I say leggings, don't worry about it. These shiny ones are the Cavern Club faux leather leggings, and these softer ones are the Liverpool soft net pipe leggings. Now, I gotta be honest, oh my god. Now, I'm not usually a leggings person, but I got to try on the soft ones when I modeled for them, and let me tell you, my mind is forever changed. So I grabbed a pair of the softer ones I tried on, as well as what seems to be a similar pair in faux leather. Now I'm gonna try all these on and show you guys the fit, but I'm gonna be doing it a little bit differently than I have in the past. I'm gonna be doing more of a lookbook style try on today, mostly because I already know that I like almost all of these items, so there isn't gonna be much of a review involved, more just a how to style. So what I'm gonna be doing today is putting together outfits using these items and showing you all how I would style them. I'll still be showing close-ups of everything, of course, so that you can see how it fits. I also just personally feel like the fit of the clothing is represented better when it's put together in an outfit and not just a close-up on my body. Not to mention, I bought a lot of these items with the intention of wearing them as outfits, so I figure, why not? All right, let's go! Outfit number 1 includes the faux leather leggings, the Foxblood long line tank top, and the Foxblood mesh cloak. I'm also wearing this witchy moon necklace that I got on Etsy, and these strange cult shoes, which I also got from Die With Your Boots On a while ago. This outfit feels very witchy to me, and I can't wait to wear it out and about in Salem soon. Outfit number 2 includes the Liverpool leggings and the Ina smock dress. I've paired this with a pair of shoes from Dr. Martens and my signature beret. This outfit makes me feel like a goth art teacher, and I am here for it. Outfit number 3 is a little more casual, and it includes the Death Tarot hoodie from The Pretty Cult, which I've paired with this button-up shirt from a previous DWYBO order, these shorts from Vampire Freaks, and these shoes from Strange Cult, which were also from DWYBO, but were also a gift from my good buddy Ash a couple of years ago. I feel like this outfit is great for those classic New England days where it's 40 degrees in the morning and 75 degrees by 2 p.m. It gives me casual skater vibes. Just like to say I can confirm for you this glasses case is nice, because I just dropped it off of my standing desk and the glasses are fine. So yeah, that kind of does it for this week's video. I know this video wasn't much of a review, so much as it was just me trying on clothes that I already knew that I liked. I wanted to focus more on how I would personally style these clothes and give you guys some kind of idea of how these clothes might look on your body if your body looks like mine. I am really passionate about supporting small local businesses, especially small local businesses that are run by women and people from marginalized communities. I think it's important for me to use the small platform that I have to shine a spotlight on those businesses. And something I'm also really passionate about is size and gender inclusive alternative fashion. Because, duh, look at me. And I wanted to showcase a place that I really love to shop in the off chance that you, the viewer, are also looking for some alternative clothing that is gender and size inclusive. Be on the lookout for my modeling vlog sometime in the near future.
Next week,
where I'll be going into more detail about what it was like for me, a total beginner, to dip my toes into the world of alternative modeling. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Here are my social media handles. You can also find them linked in the description down below. Remember to leave a like and click the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and not like this. And while you're down there, leave me a comment with your favorite alternative small business. I personally have quite a few, which we'll maybe go into later on this channel, but I would love some recommendations from you guys, and who knows, maybe one of the next hauls I do will be from a business that you recommended. Alright, enough of my blabbering. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!